Managing money shouldn't feel like a headache. For many, bank statements are confusing and overwhelming, but you don't need to be a financial wizard to take control. Those days of confusion are over. Imagine a world where your finances are clear and stress-free. Thanks to artificial intelligence or AI, that world is here. AI acts as your personal, always-on financial assistant. It helps you understand spending, save more, and invest wisely. No math degree required. This is a revolution in personal finance, making money management accessible to everyone. Whether you've struggled with budgets or found investing intimidating, AI tools are designed for you. They simplify the complex and empower you to take charge. Say goodbye to financial fog. Picture having a guide to help you navigate your money, spot savings, and plan for your dreams. That's what AI offers: clarity, guidance, and control. No more guesswork, just the tools and insights you need. When you control your money, you control your life. This shift is powerful, and it's available to you right now. Are you ready to see your money clearly? Let's dive in and discover how AI can transform your financial life. The future of money management is here, and it starts with you. So, what are these AI tools? They come in many forms, but all aim to make your financial life easier. First, AI financial assistants. Think of them as your personal money coach right on your phone. They answer questions, track spending, and send helpful reminders. Next, AI-powered budgeting platforms connect to your accounts and automatically categorize your spending. No more manual tracking, just a clear picture of where your money goes. Then, there are AI investment analyzers. Investing can be intimidating, but these tools cut through the jargon. They analyze market trends, assess risks, and help you build a portfolio that fits your goals. You get insights once reserved for big institutions, now at your fingertips. Many banks are integrating these features into their apps, flagging unusual transactions and suggesting ways to save. These tools are becoming more common and accessible, often working together seamlessly. The result? A comprehensive real-time view of your financial world, all powered by smart technology designed to help you succeed. You don't need to be an expert, just willing to try. With AI, you have the right information at your fingertips. It's about making smarter choices, effortlessly. The future of finance is personal, proactive, and powered by AI. Ready to meet your new financial sidekick? Let's see how to use these tools safely. Your journey starts now. Security is crucial when using AI for your finances. Reputable AI financial tools use bank-level encryption and robust security measures. But you play a key role in keeping your data safe. Always choose well-known, trusted apps. Do your research and read reviews. When connecting your accounts, look for secure connections, HTTPS and security badges. Most tools use services like Plaid, so your bank login details aren't stored by the app. Use strong, unique passwords for every financial app. Consider a password manager and always enable two-factor authentication. This extra step keeps your accounts safer, even if someone gets your password. Be mindful of app permissions. Know what data is needed and why. Regularly review connected accounts and permissions. Watch out for phishing scams. Never click suspicious links. Go directly to the app or website. Your financial security is non-negotiable. By taking these precautions, you can use AI tools with confidence. Harness their power while keeping your information safe. Remember, you're in control of your money and your data. AI is here to help, not to compromise your privacy. Stay vigilant, stay informed. With the right habits, you can enjoy the benefits of AI securely. Let's see how AI can make budgeting effortless. Your financial safety is the foundation of your success. Now let's put AI to work for you. Budgeting doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. AI-powered tools connect to your accounts and automatically track and categorize your spending. No more sifting through receipts or spreadsheets. Instantly see where your money goes. Groceries, transport, entertainment, and more. AI helps you create realistic budgets based on your actual habits. It highlights overspending and suggests where you can cut back. Set spending targets and the AI will alert you if you're nearing your limits. This keeps you on track without constant manual checks. AI also acts as a watchdog, flagging unusual activity or potential fraud. If a transaction looks out of place, you'll know right away. Forgotten subscriptions or unexpected charges? AI spots them fast. This proactive monitoring gives you peace of mind. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your accounts, 24/7. With AI, budgeting becomes effortless and effective. You get clarity, control, and security, all in one place. No more guesswork, no more stress. Let AI handle the details, so you can focus on your goals. Ready to make your money work for you? Next, let's see how AI can help you invest smarter. Your financial journey just got a whole lot easier. Let's keep going. Investing doesn't have to be scary or complicated. AI-powered investment tools make it accessible for everyone. They help you understand your risk tolerance and suggest portfolios that fit your goals. Whether you want higher returns or more stability, AI tailors recommendations to you. These tools analyze massive amounts of market data, spotting trends and opportunities. They also help you understand and minimize investment fees, which can save you money over time. Some AI platforms scan your existing portfolio, flagging high fees and suggesting lower-cost alternatives. AI can even help you rebalance your investments, keeping your portfolio aligned with your targets. If your asset mix drifts, AI suggests adjustments like selling some shares and buying more bonds. This disciplined approach is key to long-term success. With AI, you get a co-pilot for your investment journey. No Wall Street expertise required, just the right tools and a willingness to learn. AI makes investing simpler, smarter, and more accessible. You're empowered to grow your wealth with confidence. Let's see how AI can help you plan for the future. Your financial goals are within reach. Take the next step with your AI guide. The future of investing is here. Planning for big goals, retirement, a home, education, can feel overwhelming. AI makes it easier by helping you look years ahead and create a roadmap for your dreams. AI-powered planning tools let you model different scenarios in seconds. Want to see how saving more now affects your retirement? AI shows you instantly. It projects investment growth and helps you understand the long-term impact of your choices. Set a goal, like a house deposit in 5 years. And AI calculates how much to save each month. It suggests strategies and adapts if your circumstances change. Get a pay rise or face an unexpected expense. AI updates your plan. Visual progress charts keep you motivated and focused on your goals. See your savings grow and your targets get closer. AI doesn't just give you a plan, it helps you stick to it. Flexibility and motivation are built in. With AI, you're not just dreaming, you're doing. Your financial future becomes clear, achievable, and secure. Let AI be your partner in building the life you want. The future is bright when you plan with AI. Stay focused, stay motivated. Your goals are within reach. Let's explore even more ways AI can help. AI's power in personal finance goes beyond budgeting and investing. Advanced features give you even more control and insight. Set up custom rules and alerts. Get notified if your credit card balance is high or a stock hits your target price. AI tools are getting smarter about tax optimization, suggesting ways to save on taxes or maximize contributions to ISAs and pensions. While not a substitute for a tax advisor, AI highlights opportunities and helps you ask the right questions. Managing multiple accounts? AI brings all your finances together in one dashboard. See your net worth and how all your accounts fit together. No more juggling logins. This clarity and convenience make financial management stress-free. AI is revolutionizing personal finance, making sophisticated tools accessible to everyone. From automated budgeting to smart investing and long-term planning, AI empowers you. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just open to new technology. Take the first step. Explore the AI tools available. Start your journey toward a brighter, more secure financial future. You deserve confidence and control over your money. Embrace the change. AI is here to help. Your financial path is clearer than ever. The tools are ready. Are you? Take action today. Your future self will thank you. Let AI light the way to your financial success.